Welcome to day 2 of my Mancation ride. It is 6:30 in the morning and had a lovely stay at this hotel, Best Western I think, in Canyon, Texas. Thought I was going to stay in a campground last night, but it ended up being, I think it was 106 is what I saw for the high. Went to the campground at first, did not work out. I was sweating, got a little bit overheated, kept drinking water, stayed hydrated, but still got too hot. Didn't really have, not prepared, I guess, didn't really have enough warm weather gear. So today I should have about 363 miles of trip, and let me show you where I'm going to go on the map. That's my destination in Taos. Okay, weather looks good today. Hopefully no rain. I don't think it's going to be as warm. I think where I'm going may be the high of 80 today. So let's get back on the road. Okay, stopped here at the Whataburger. I'm not gonna have the traditional Whataburger, the thing I love the most. Just gonna try to have some bacon and eggs, and then I've got to get some fuel, and then I'm back on the road. Okay, so the dining room of the Whataburger is closed. It's okay, I understand. It's COVID. I think I saw a Waffle House just down the street. I'll try there. Okay, got my fuel, got my food, and I'm ready to get back on the road. Okay, so we've come about 155 miles from Amarillo, and it's mostly been this sort of terrain. It's been absolutely perfect. High 70s. I don't think I've seen it above 80, but mostly this kind of terrain. I would classify it as maybe high plains or something. So yeah, there's that. What really gets me excited is what's right back here. I see the beginnings of mountains. I think I should hit those in maybe about another 50 miles. Maybe we've got about another 150, 175 miles left. Oh, also, more importantly, welcome to New Mexico. There you go. That's New Mexico. So I'm going to take a quick ride break, grab some water, grab a protein bar. So Wally is liking it. Sasha is performing absolutely perfectly. The weather is beautiful. The road is beautiful. Ironically, I was gonna say that there are no people on the road, except as soon as I start recording, everybody comes by. Oh, other thing, the highway speeds went from 75 miles an hour to 60 miles an hour, which is absolutely fantastic. You get more time to slow down and actually enjoy all of this amazing scenery. It's just, it may be somewhat plain looking, but it is still absolutely amazing. All right, so gonna have my break, and then we'll get back on the road. places that I'm gonna go for this vacation, this one down here is the one that means the most. Mainly because it's the site of probably a handful of family vacations, and in those moments, in those vacations, all of the troubles we had back home, all of the problems, all of the things that made family life not so great for me, just kind of went away. And one of my favorite places here is right here. This is called Eagle Rock Lake. And at Eagle Rock Lake, we would go fishing. As a matter of fact, at camp, when we would see some clouds, we would camp. So back over these mountains here is actually the Rio Grande River. And we'd camp over at the Rio Grande River. And we'd see some clouds coming up over Questa. And we would actually say every single time it's raining over Questa, let's go fishing. And I see clouds, so it's time to go fishing. I'm not gonna fish because I didn't bring anything to fish with, but there were some peaceful times here for me. They meant a lot to me. Got a little emotional when I came around the corner and saw this. It's not even really a lake, it's just an oversized pond really, but it still holds a lot of very important memories for me. Well, we're probably about 35-40 miles from Taos. Questa is probably about another 5 miles down the road. Another 30 miles to Taos and our destination. So let's get back on the road. So, I've made it to Taos, New Mexico. Welcome to Taos. It is, let's see, it is probably, what, about 2:30 in the afternoon. Haven't had lunch yet, so I'm gonna set up over here in the parking lot. Hopefully they don't mind that too much. Make myself some, I think today is beef stew. Should be good. And Sasha's got my room is here. Pretty nice place. Sasha's got a great spot right outside my window. I'll cover her up when I'm all done. Once I'm done eating lunch, I will go in and show you on the map where I've gone today. Alright, lunch it is. Okay, had my lunch. It was outstanding. I got Sasha all put away. She is out here, all covered up and ready to go for the night. And now let me show you where on the map I rode today. So, as I said earlier, so this is Clayton, New Mexico. And Amarillo is, if this was a map, Amarillo would be somewhere, you know, down here or whatever. Rode up to Clayton, New Mexico. So here's the state line right there. So Clayton, New Mexico, across it. Then you get over here to Springer, just past Springer. Headed north up to Cimarron. Then across, this is where the mountains started just getting amazing, and you'll see in the videos. Across here to Eagle's Nest. We dropped down into Eagle's Nest. You saw that video of the coming down in the beautiful river, Eagle Nest Lake. And then up and around, let's see, Red River, then down into Questa, and then south into the city of Taos. And I'm staying in the city of Taos. So tomorrow we head kind of down around, actually I'm sorry, back up, and then we head up into Colorado, and I'll show you that tomorrow. But that's going to be it for today. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get back on the road. Good night.